Kali Linux is an operating system specially designed for penetration testing and security auditing. It is an open-source software, stuffed with numerous penetration testing tools, discussing and naming all of which is next to impossible, as it has over 300 of them. Today, we are going to introduce you to Kali Linux, a Linux distribution. If you have heard of Backtrack, then Kali should be introduced to you more as an updated version of the former. From the creators of Backtrack comes Kali Linux, the most advanced and versatile penetration testing distribution ever created. That is how Offensive Security Limited defines their project. Besides these, Kali has numerous other tools too, which are among the best security and penetration testing tools ever found. Kali is pre-installed with the best programs and security tools like Hydra, Login Cracker, Nmap, Port Analyzer, Wireshark, Data Packet Analyzer, John the Ripper, Password Cracking Tool, and Metasploit Framework, Exploit Code Developing Tool. These tools put together under the category of Top 10 Security Tools under the Applications tab. Kali has numerous other tools too, which are among the best security and penetration testing tools ever found, which are categorized as Information Gathering, Vulnerability Analysis, Web Applications, Password Attacks, Wireless Attacks, Exploitation Tool, Sniffing, Spoofing, Maintaining Access, Reverse Engineering, Stress Testing, Hardware Testing, Forensics, Reporting Tool, System Services. Kali Linux, being a free and open source software, is easily obtainable, and is used by both amateurs as well as professionals. Professionals use it for analyzing vulnerabilities in information systems and networks, for forensic analysis, for finding security exploits, and for applications testing. Kali can be utilized in breaking security codes, cracking passwords, hacking into Wi-Fi networks, brute force password attacks, network sniffing, IP spoofing, and other malicious ventures. However, learners and amateurs can learn a lot from this OS. This distribution probably has enough tools to last for a penetration tester's lifetime. If you are considering a career in information security, then Kali Linux is the best option for you to go for, and start your journey.